What's a short? Today we are at Etude House new outlet to try out their colour factory service. Let's go! Now we're back in the TV studio and we're going to share with you our thoughts. For me, I think what's most interesting is that I was able to find out what's my true skin undertone. Because I've been doing a lot of tests that I read online, like what colours your vein, do I look better in gold or silver? But I've always thought that my undertone is neutral to warm. But after the service, I was told that actually I'm neutral to cool. I was also neutral to cool, and I was very surprised by the colour draping services because the colours that they picked out, which they said looked the best on me, I have absolutely none of them in my wardrobe.
Okay, but it's different for me because I felt like the colours that they mentioned to me, I already know about it. Like the dark colours suit me better and brighter colours I should probably stay away from it. So I guess it's only better for like beginners, like if you don't really know about the colours, it's a good service, they will help you find your true colour.
So what I really like is the packaging. I think it looks like a mini cake box. So this is mine. So mine is a flamingo.
Mine is like prints of chili bottles.
Mine are mini Tyrannosaurus. So cute! All of us are actually currently wearing our usual Etude House colours.
Yeah.
So we're going to review to you what is our personalized colour. Ready? These are the new colours that the colour factory has picked out for us. Well, it's a colour that I definitely wouldn't have picked out for myself if I was shopping for lipsticks. But I picked it up because everyone in the store, the makeup artists and all my colleagues were saying like, oh, it looks good on you and it's not something that you usually wear, so that's why I actually did this colour. For me, because I'm a huge lipstick junkie, so I pretty much have experimented with a lot of lipstick colours. You'll see me in like blue lipstick, green lipstick, black and grey and so on. So I'm not entirely averse to any new colours. So I'd say this one is refreshing, I guess. Okay, we're ready for our verdict. Okay, so I will give the Etude House Colour Factory service half a heart. Yeah, because I feel that if you're a lipstick junkie or if you're a makeup junkie, you're just gonna buy all the lipsticks you want and wear whatever colour you want anyway, so it may not be that helpful for you.
Same for me, I agree with Mandy, I'm gonna give it half a heart because I think it's better for makeup beginners that don't know too much about your skin tones and all. If you already know about it, it's really a little bit expensive to spend money on this. I thought it's more of like there will be mix and matching colours to suit like my skin tone, but it's actually not, which is quite surprising.
For me, I'm actually gonna give it a 0 heart. Because I personally didn't find that it really changes a lot of things for me as a lipstick junkie. And besides understanding my undertone, yeah, it wasn't something that I really get a lot of utility from. Especially because this is actually at $58, which is kind of pricey. But this being said, I feel that it can be a very fun experience if you bring your best friend along and do something fun and you have some spare cash to spend. yeah, then just go ahead. So will you be giving it a try? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye! I